guys, welcome back to our channel. Greetings to everyone from a new video. Today we will encounter different events again. If you want, let's go to our video right away without wasting time. Enjoy watching. Does anyone here understand what the driver is really doing? Yes, it will come back, but is it like this? I wish patience to the models.
Отрезает меня, придурок.
We should always stay away from heavy vehicles in traffic. We can see different movements at any time. As it is here, maybe he just wanted to get away from something on his right side. But on this side too, he put the biker in danger. The biker was cautious not to rush, as it is supposed to be. Pay attention to the vehicle we marked, as if he was undecided about returning until the last moment, gives the signal at the last moment, and that it returned immediately if he had given a signal from behind. The biker would not have passed and would have waited for him to return. There would be no such accident, but the result inside.
Concha tu madre! Weón!
You can have an accident at any time, even when there is no crime in the traffic, especially if you are a biker. You are not invisible, but it is like you are invisible. By the way, reflex is important.
Oh man. Fucking Christ.
Yes, keep your eyes on the road. Look what will we see.
Run.
You know, when we say that bikers are not invisible, some must think the opposite. Okay, it doesn't see the engine, does he not see the light?
What's wrong with you?
Stops the vehicle. To say it was a wrong move. Looks like the driver is a lady. It doesn't even need to be discussed. Out of respect. Another reckless move. Can't we be a little careful on the way out?
What the f*** are you doing, bro? You, bro. Pulls off into this lane, and then he just jumps over to my lane, like nothing, like doesn't care.
The leaves on the edge are like oil. They slide in a sudden moment. This biker friend of ours was unlucky. The camera falls and is stretched for meters. We recommend better fixation. speed is high, a vehicle is coming from the opposite direction. For this reason, he cannot turn the corner. We have to proceed a little slower and a little more careful on roads we do not know or such narrow roads. We should get in these cars and look in the mirror. I wonder if the bikers are visible. We are almost at this point.
What the f are you doing? Oh, yeah.
This friend of ours is not his lucky day, I guess. First he loses his way in the forest, then he has a little accident. Then it fails because the engine is overheating. But in the end he finds the way and goes to his destination. It's nice to go out with your friends. You will have a good time, but sometimes things can happen to you even if it's small. So did your friends here? They almost had an accident. Luckily it was not feared, and it was a moment to log out.
Uy, cara. Segura aí, viado. Segura aí, viado. Ai, minha perna, viado. Caralho, velho. Peraí.
We always say that we need to be slow and careful on dirt road. We don't know what will happen to you, but when we encounter anything, there is no braking distance. This is the land. It's like this right away. And to come across a pond, there might be nothing left to do. Another example we can come across. Anything can happen at any moment. There must be some distance for our friends who is extremely fast to stop. Since it is not there, an accident is inevitable. I hope nothing happens.
More love, more.
There is no such thing as always an accident. The things that caused the accident are also important. Something broken on the way, something spilled on the road is a serious problem. Our friend sees something spilling onto the road. When no vehicle stops, the biker stops. He collects what he can as much as he can. Commendable behavior. Bravo. We have come to the end of our video, friends. We hope you like it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next episode. Goodbye, ride safe.